While hiking or backpacking in the wilderness, any odd life-threatening situation might occur, like getting caught out in a storm or heavy rain, and you might feel the need for proper shelter. If this is the situation, a survival shelter will protect your body from outdoor elements, regulate body temperature, and safeguard your gear and other items. Although it might not be as comfortable as a tent, in a situation of remaining where being alive is threatened, the presence of one will be life-saving for sure. And therefore in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best survival shelters available on Amazon based on their features and functionalities. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video.
AquaQuest-Tarp is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Always be prepared to endure an unexpected occurrence with the Soul Emergency Shelter Kit. This survival shelter system is ideal for keeping your body warm to get through challenging conditions. It features a heavy-duty and 90% heat-reflective emergency shelter, which ensures that no matter how rough your surroundings conditions are, you will remain comfortable inside. Besides, it offers 4 reflective cores and micro-tensioners and 4 anodized aluminum C-sticks, along with instructions to give you convenience and flexibility. Also, this one-person survival shelter is ultra-light and compact enough to fit in a backpack or any travel bag to ensure safety during any adventure. Overall, the Soul Emergency Shelter Kit is an excellent survival shelter that allows you to remain warm, dry, and protected in any emergency. Constructed from a material that is designed by NASA for space exploration, the Grizzly Gear Emergency Thermal Tent is a survival shelter famous for its compact and lightweight characteristics. It's made out of Miller, which combines dielectric strength with moisture and heat resistance while retaining up to 90% of your body heat. Besides, it can accommodate 2 persons, which will let you and your partner remain protected from any weather conditions. Also, this lightweight shelter is very versatile and can also be used as an emergency sleeping bag, water collector, signaling device, and more, giving you full support in several ways. In a sense, the Grizzly Gear Emergency Thermal Tent is a well-designed survival shelter that does not weigh too much and is durable, which can be a major part of your preparation against the uncertainties. Just like their name, Don't Die in the Woods has come up with a 2-person survival tent that is designed to keep you and your partner safe when uncertain danger is looming. It is constructed of a robust Miller material that is heat, cold, and moisture resistant. If there is a possibility of hypothermia, it can save your life and safeguard you till a rescue arrives. Besides, it comes with 425-pound strength paracord and reinforced tape seams, which gives shelter strength and functionality so that you remain protected against natural threats. Also, with the added benefit of hand-sized compact design, this fully waterproof emergency shelter weighs only 8.5 pounds that ensures great portability so that you can carry it easily. Overall, Don't Die in the Woods 2-person survival tent is an excellent reusable survival shelter that aims to save you from extreme situations. Offering 100% waterproofing, the AquaQuest-Tarp is a heavy-duty survival shelter that'll keep you completely dry in any situation where every bit of protection counts. Its shell features a hydrostatic resistance of 20,000 mm that guarantees not a single drop of water will get through it, protecting you from rain, snow, and other elements. It's also crafted from 70D nylon, which has a proven record of being incredibly durable and resilient. And it features heavy TPU and durable water-repellent coating along with reinforced stitches and heat tape seams, which provides you with safety. Available in 4 different sizes, this 3.3-pound survival shelter comes with a convenient stuff sack, which makes it very compact and easy to carry. All in all, the AquaQuest-Tarp is an excellent long-term investment as a survival shelter and will increase your living chances because of its materials and features. Engineered to keep you warm, dry, and alive if you are stranded outside during a winter storm, the GoTime-Tent Emergency Survival Shelter is a high-performing shelter that is renowned for its stellar design. Made of Miller, it features a heavy-duty waterproof and windproof survival tube that is tear and puncture resistant and will protect you from any danger while you're lost in the wilderness. Besides, its 90% body heat retention interior will keep you warm, dry, and protected from the elements of nature. Also, it includes Parasync technology, paracord drawstring utility rope, and a 120 decibel emergency whistle so that you can cut through wind and trees to alert rescuers up to 1 mile away. All in all, the GoTime-Tent Emergency Survival Shelter is an essential tool for you that'll let you stay alive during an emergency in the wilderness with its highly compact and durable design. So that was all about the 5 best survival shelters available on Amazon just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.